GE Monogram Appliance Repair Service in Los Angeles specializes in monogram appliance repair, monogram washer repair, monogram dryer repair, monogram refrigerator repair, monogram freezer repair, monogram ice maker repair, monogram ice machine repair, monogram cooktop repair, monogram vent hood repair, monogram range repair, monogram oven repair, monogram under-counter repair, monogram trash compactor repair, and monogram wine cooler repair. No matter what is wrong with your GE Monogram appliance, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.